This is 3 Shepherd Drive in Bangor. This is a mobile home that we're going to look at. The owner just purchased it and is doing some renovations on it. He's doing quite a bit of work. He's doing some new flooring and painting and so forth. He's just put on some new skirting all the way around. It does have a pretty nice yard. It's a good sized lot. It has a picnic table and does come with a shed. This has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. There's a lot of plastic and blue painter's tape going on because he is doing quite a bit of painting and so forth. So it's kind of a typical mobile home setup. You come into the living room. This has wood laminate flooring. You have a breakfast bar separating the living room from the kitchen. This is a dining area. And then you have an eat-in kitchen over here. It does have a built-in microwave. It does have a dishwasher. The space over here is where the fridge is going to go. Down here where the back door entry is, this is where the washer dryer hookup is. You have some cupboards and some space over here. This is the back door that goes out into the yard. This is your heating system. It is forced air heat, which is typical of most mobile homes. This is the master bedroom. Quite large, definitely will fit a king-size bed. And this is a pretty decent-sized closet. It is a walk-in closet. And then it does have its own bathroom. This is the master bathroom. It's a pretty bright shade of kind of green, but it is going to be painted. So that is that end of the mobile home. It does have a small bedroom, could be an office, and the other bedroom is at the other end. You have some tile here or linoleum at the entry. Plastic is down over the flooring to protect it while it's being worked on. This is the smaller room, which could be a bedroom. Have some shelving in here. This is the other bathroom. And it does have a shower over on the right, which again is covered with plastic. And then this is the other bathroom, which is a really deep bluish purple. And again, this will be painted a neutral color. It is pretty bright. You have a ceiling fan up here. And then you have a decent sized closet. So, and again, this is pretty spacious. You could put a king size bed in here if you wanted to as well. So that concludes the video tour of 3 Shepherd Drive in Bangor. It's actually off Finson Road, across, basically it's near the other end of Pushaw Road as well. At the end of Shepherd Drive, very easy to find. Got a good sized lot, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. If If you're interested, visit us at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.